Instant noodles na may kasamang real beef chunks? Hit or miss kaya itong nag-viral na Imperial Big Meal Instant Noodles? Here's our quick review. They claim this is Taiwan's leading instant noodles, but what really got our attention was yung may real beef chunks daw siya. And yes, totoo nga. From our experience, you'll get about 5 to 6 beef chunks in one pack. Sabi nila Australian and New Zealand beef daw to. They're tender naman since maliit lang yung cuts and you'll taste the beef flavor sa broth. May two variants siya. Beef, yung purple, and hot beef flavor, yung reddish brown. Sakto lang ang anghang ng hot beef. Yung anghang na sumusuot sa lalamunan, not the kind of hot na tumatambay lang sa bibig. They're both flavorful and savory, kaya for us, they're quite addictive. Yung noodles din, al dente na may chew pa when you follow the prep instructions. Bagay din isabaw sa kanin or isabay sa fried food. Sulit na rin kasi it's a big bowl of noodles, good for two na siya. Kaya gets namin why nag-viral siya. Nung nag-viral siya, actually, hirap magharap nito sa 7-Eleven. Buti na lang ngayon, nakakatsyempo na kami lagi. Nag-hoard na nga kami nito lagi pag nasa 7-Eleven kami. Both yung beef and hot beef flavors. So ang verdict, hit na hit for us tong Imperial Big Meal Instant Noodles. Na-try nyo na rin ba? What do you think?